Hi, this is Dr. Bev Knox from BevKnox.com. I am here to talk to you a little bit about positive psychology. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and read a quote from Gandhi. So I'm going to read it right now. Gandhi once said, "Your beliefs become your thoughts. Your beliefs become your thoughts. Your thoughts become your words. Your words become your actions." This is a quote from Gandhi. And we all know this. As one think of, so is he or she. I've talked about this over and over and over in regards to cognitive psychology and positive psychology. You think a certain way, you're going to believe and perceive things a certain way, and you are going to act accordingly. I'm here today to encourage you to see the glass as being half full in any situation. And I say this over and over. Yes, any situations, because some situations could be dire. Some situations could be horrible and horrific. Let's talk about lemons, because, students ask me this all the time, but I remember a particular student who said to me, "Dr. Knox, you talk about, seeing things in a positive viewpoint all the time. You talk about this all the time. But what about, when bad things happen? You're telling us to see things from the brighter point of view. But what about when something bad happens?" Well, we know the cliche about the lemon, right? Here's the lemon. When life gives you lemon, what do? The positive side of this is, well, you make lemonade. Touche, right? Well, you could say, well, life gave me a lemon, it's bitter, it's terrible, I can't do nothing with it, it's not tasty, blah, blah. That's the pessimistic viewpoint. That's the negative side of this. The positive side, the more optimistic viewpoint would be, I've got lemon. Let me take action and let me do something positive about it. Let me make lemonade. And most of us love lemonade, don't we? It's a tasty, tasty, yummy drink. I love it. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Let's get back to Gandhi, and I'm going to read his quote again. Gandhi once said, "Your beliefs becomes your thoughts. Your beliefs becomes your thoughts." What does that mean? I believe a certain way because I believe that way. No, your mind was shaped that way. You were conditioned to believe certain things. You were conditioned, and that could be positive or negative. You didn't grow up thinking, "Oh my gosh, let me hate this type of people." You were taught to do that based on societal norms, based on your parents, your peers, what the television has taught you, what religion have taught you. You didn't grow up hating. Gandhi said, "Your belief becomes your thoughts." So whatever your belief is, you think about it all the time, whether it's negative or whether it's positive. Your beliefs become your thoughts. If you've got negative beliefs, your thoughts are going to be what? Negative. If you've got negative beliefs, your thoughts are going to be what? Negative. Your thoughts become your words, according to Gandhi. So, if you are thinking negative things over and over and over, if you are taking the pessimistic viewpoint on life, and everything that happens to you, you see it in a pessimistic viewpoint, you see it as something negative, hold on now, your thoughts become your words. You are going to start speaking negative words. When you're thinking negative thoughts, your negative thoughts are going to do what? Come out through your words. And it will be negative. Your words become your actions. So, the negative thoughts that you've been thinking, it's manifested through your words, and your words now become your actions. So if you're having negative thoughts, you're going to have negative words and then negative action. What do you think the outcome of your life will be? Did you just say negative? Absolutely. negative outcomes. And I'm here today to encourage you to see things from the brighter side, to see things more optimistic, to have a more optimistic viewpoint on life. Because when you think positive, when your thoughts are positive, your words will follow and be positive. And when your words are positive, your actions will then be positive. You will have a more optimistic viewpoint in life, and life will be better. This is Dr. Bev Knox encouraging you to see things in a more optimistic viewpoint.